Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7. It's the perfect starter DSLR. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 impresses with its value and simplicity. If you're new to photography, this camera offers a straightforward way to dive in without feeling overwhelmed. With a 24-megapixel sensor, the T7 delivers sharp, high-quality images that rival more expensive models. Its fixed rear screen might seem basic, but this simplicity encourages learning essential photography skills instead of relying on tech gimmicks. The T7 is all about helping you master the basics first. While it lacks 4K video, the T7's full HD video is plenty for most beginners who just want to capture everyday moments. Canon's decision to forego dual-pixel CMOS AF also contributes to a lower price, making this model a budget-friendly option. This camera is great for getting your feet wet without breaking the bank. Another huge benefit is the compatibility with Canon's vast selection of EF mount lenses. This lets you expand your creative horizons as you grow more confident with your photography skills. You might miss some fancy features, but the essentials are there and they perform well. What stands out for me is how the T7's ease of use encourages learning. Everything feels intuitive, making it a joy to use. Sure, the lack of advanced autofocus might be noticeable, but for starting out, it's a non-issue. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 balances affordability with essential features that truly matter. If you're ready to take the leap into DSLR photography, this might be your best bet.